With that being said, y'all, guess what, man? It's a whole nother new day, and I just realized.
Yo, doing lifestyle. Don't forget, subscribe to Doing Lifestyle. Let's go. Check out my page, the box on 8. The paint still wet, look like it just got sprayed. I got the bubble too, I set it on 6. I got a Suburban too, with them 30s on that.
Back with another motherfucking banger, man. As y'all know, I got the Bonneville. Y'all know this Bonneville, you know what I'm saying? Got this thing right here. Man, I think later on it could be for sale, but I'm just gonna see. But I'm for sure make sure I try to get it running first. So it's kind of hard to get somebody over here to kind of work on it. And you know, sometimes it'd be the best bet by taking stuff to people's shops. So I'm not gonna try to rush, but I'm gonna try to eventually get it done sooner or later. So like I said, man, it's a 305. I mean, it's a 307 Oldsmobile motor in here right now with the 400 trend. And as y'all know, it just need tweaking on the, you know what I'm saying, little odds and ends, shit like that. But in the meantime, I just wanna try something out, man. I wanna see what these dub ballers gonna look like. I know y'all probably saying, yeah, here you go. Yeah, here you go. First thing he do is put it in. Nah, man, it's just having fun. You know, it's just making time, you know, bored and shit, you know, get something to do. And plus, I want to see how it's gonna look also. And go from there, you know. Like I said, I'm gonna try to see what they'll look like on here. And then it's gonna motivate me to be like, fuck it, go hard. It's not gonna look good on the Cutlass or rig or nothing like that, but I'm gonna try this. It kind of give you that box Chevy look. And if y'all go to my other videos where y'all see where I switch rims out, put the dub bottles on my box Chevy, I'm basically trying to see what it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna kind of see what the rims gonna look like on this car, and it'll give me like a visualize like, damn, that big go hard. The original hubcaps, all tires, got the white wall running tires and everything, so y'all can let me know. I haven't put a price on it yet. Like I said, she will turn over. As y'all see, she will turn over. So everything intact. It's just the top part need to be finished. I got the hood right here. I gotta put the hood back on. Gonna need some work did. I kind of like how this set up right here. I don't know if this is something that I'm gonna keep. Still planning on getting a Cutlass too. I gotta get another Cutlass regardless. So man, hopefully I can get one before this year out. I mean, yeah, before this year out or beginning of next year. Hopefully I can get another one, but I'm gonna definitely try to get one there. But in the meantime, man, I'm gonna be working on this thing. But yeah, man, I just got projects after projects, man. But hey, it's keeping me busy, bringing content. I'm gonna study record so y'all can see this is Doing Lifestyle. This is shit we do. This is stuff I do, I love to do, and it just makes me, I'd rather fix on cars than go to clubs, party. I don't give a dang, bro. I'd rather stay at home all day just to work on cars. And at the end of the day, it just keeps me motivated, keep me going. So, but y'all stay tuned, man. Let me see if I can put one of these rims on for this rain come. So first thing first, we're gonna go ahead and snatch this towel. Like I said, man, I got my girl there. Don't mind her, she's dirty right now. Been playing. Y'all know how dads do. Just let them go hit it. So I'm gonna take this towel off real quick. All right, guys, that's just one. Just one right there. She don't look too bad, you know. We're just gonna see. Like I said, that's just one side. I'm gonna do that side over there. I'm gonna go ahead and do this back real quick. About an inch. Yes, sir. Got this squad. What y'all think? Like I said, I ain't got the other side on there yet. I just got this side on there. Girl powers. Alright, y'all, let's put the other side on there now. I do got the skirts in the trunk. I'm gonna try to see if I can see what the skirts gonna look like. But yeah, y'all, let me go ahead and finish, man, since there's rain coming. And I be working, y'all. Promise. I be working. Woo, damn. Big ass damn spider. Wait. Y'all just bear with me, cause I'm gonna go back and clean all this sooner or later. That's how long this motherfucker been sitting though. Goddamn, thick ass spider web. I just want to see how this shit gonna look, y'all. So we just gonna see how these things look. Cut them too, cause got me having these damn adapters on here. They kind of stick out just a hair. And by that being said, they're gonna hit against this fender when the cars be rocking and stuff back and forth. Got my drive shaft on hook, that's why she moved back here. With that being said, she look good though. She just sticks out a tail. Ain't gonna be no biggie though. You know what I'm saying? Cause this back here, them little things that's going in the fender, I'm gonna have to slice them and bend them up so the wheel can have a flush look. Yes, sir. But when it's like that, I'm definitely gonna be able to put the skirts on. But you gotta think about it. It's gonna be sticking out. So she gonna kind of hit like right up in here. So this ain't gotta do no more cutting like that, you know what I'm saying? But the odds and ends. What y'all think? She might pull them off. It's cool when they do it. It's a problem when I do it. Birds of a feather. God dang rain, man. Sleek as snow. I'll be still out here. Yes, sir. I just want to see what she look like, man. So I'm gonna pull her up so she can be out the way. Especially, bro, if this motherfucker will like paint it clean, this mother gonna go hard. This mother gonna go real hard. But this something I definitely gonna have to get fixed. I don't want it to hit right there. I'm gonna have to get situated, you know. She can't hit right there. She definitely can. All right, y'all, we should go ahead and move this little stuff out the way. Y'all, guess what, man? It's a whole nother new day, and I just realized the difference of this car. Man, it's crazy. I got to look, and I'm like, what the I'm like, hold on. Which one is the right one? Y'all tell me if y'all see the difference. Look at the tail lights. I was wondering why, when I was over here, I was just like, I said, damn. Something missing right here. I said, how does the light and that mud don't go up? So I'm thinking they're missing a whole, you know what I'm saying, piece. And I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, something had to be right here. But then I'm like, hold on. Then I just happened to look on this side and notice this script right here. And I got back to looking this side. I'm like, whoa, that's why. So where did this light come from off of her? And this has to be the original, the right one. Rain don't stop nothing. It's good to have a carport. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna lie, it's good to have one of these. I ain't got it all the way. All right, y'all, let's see what this thing closed. Put them on WD-40. Better than nothing, y'all. Doing it by yourself, man. Shit. Overall, let me show y'all. All right, this how she look now. With the hood on. Make it look a whole lot different. A whole lot of better. Make it look a whole lot of better. Yeah. A whole lot of better. Y'all just gotta